Hey, I thought that I didn't see that coffee maker there when I came in.
It wasn't. It was down below, and I told Ryan he could put it up on top because he didn't like it being down below.
How do you use this? What's carafe?
Yeah.
Carafe. It means not necessarily pitcher size, but not necessarily mug size. Somewhere in between.
Yeah. I'm in Tennessee right now, though, so I couldn't come in anytime soon.
That's how you do it. This is
Not right now. I'm sorry.
What the?
Okay, thank you.
Oh, it's this weekend, isn't it?
Bye.
You getting calls from your adoring fans?
Mod Pizza. I thought they gave up on my application.
Which pizza?
Mod Pizza?
The same pizza that Jake likes?
They said they'd call me back in the next few days. I probably should have said that. I said that I was in Tennessee, so if they can't get all
You know what, sweetheart?
Don't worry. As soon as you get home, just call them and tell who. Do you remember the name of the person you were talking to?
No, but I have the number.
Okay, so you can just call them.
I was about to not answer, and I was about to be like, well, and then it said Plymouth, Michigan, and I was like, that's probably someone I know.
What?
You'll see when you watch it back.
When I what?
When you watch
What
it
did you
over
do to
again.
me?
Ryan's resorting to donut-top terrorism to stay here and have a pizza.
Where's the mod pizza at?
It's
Right by my house.
I'm talking about the one by her house. She's not going to try to work at the one at Middlebow.
Well, there's one of
I'm
them.
not gonna work. I thought you meant out here. I was like, I'm not gonna work in Tennessee.
Well, Ryan's going to work at that Celtic restaurant washing dishes in Tennessee.
And he's going to wear kilts.